Many people have found the iPhone auto brightness feature to be annoying, automatically making their screen too bright or not bright enough. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off iPhone auto brightness. Now let's get started. Open your iOS device's settings. Scroll down and tap General. Then select Accessibility. Tap Display Accommodations. Then tap the switch beside Auto Brightness to disable the feature. When the switch turns from green to white, Auto Brightness is disabled. For whatever reason, this setting is now included under Accessibility instead of in the Display and Brightness section, so we hope this helps you out. That's all it takes to turn off Auto Brightness in iOS 12. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out TechBoomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.